Hi everyone, so I am out here in the front yard and it is very shady at the moment, but that's because it is morning. And you know what they say about macrophylla hydrangeas. They like morning sun, afternoon shade. Well, I decided to put that to the test a couple years ago. And way over here I planted a macrophylla, and here I planted a macrophylla. And they are the wee bit giddy. Now, they're coming back, they're alive. They are not happy in the afternoon when it is really, really bright sun here. So I've decided I'm going to dig those up, move them to the shade, and follow everybody's rule of morning sun and afternoon shade for the macrophyllas. And instead, I'm going to put in Little Lime Punch. Now, Little Lime Punch is another type of hydrangea, but this is a paniculata. And your paniculatas like sun. Little Lime Punch is one of the smallest paniculatas that you can get. It gets to be about 4 feet high, 4 feet wide at its biggest. And this little guy is going to take a while to get to be that big. And the great thing is, I think they're going to thrive up here, but I'm still going to get that pop of color. They bloom a beautiful white, and then they deepen to a beautiful pink color. So I'm going to take these out, move them, and add in a couple beautiful paniculata hydrangeas. And these have rooted in pretty well. Okay, so now I have my Little Lime Punch hydrangeas, and we will just put those into those same spots here. Now this is an arborescens hydrangea. It's only its first year here. It's not doing terribly, it's not doing great. So my guess is we will be moving this. I'm gonna leave it for now because it's gonna take a little while for these to crowd it out. Okay. There we have it, 2 Little Lime Punches, and they will be beautiful next year. I will keep you posted. It'll be fascinating to see how much they grow in one season, because these particular hydrangeas, any paniculata, you just cut them down in the winter and they bloom off of the new growth, so you're guaranteed for the blossoms. And that 1 year's growth from when you cut them down at the end of the winter is amazing every year. So to go from this size, we might be pleasantly surprised next year. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.